Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making shrimp and crab enchilado. Here's the list of ingredients. You can also find it in the description box below this video, along with links to the items I use that help me create this delicious dish. We're going to start off by adding salt and pepper to our shrimp. This shrimp is already peeled and deveined. You want to flip it and repeat the process on the other side. In a hot skillet, we're going to be adding olive oil and a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to add our shrimp. You want to leave it alone for about a minute, and once it turns pink, you're going to flip them over for another minute till they get nice and golden brown, and then you want to remove them from the pan. We're going to add another tablespoon of butter, and we're going to scrape all those brown bits and pieces from the bottom of the pan, and we're going to add our green bell pepper, our red bell pepper, and our yellow onion. We're going to let that saute on a medium-low heat, and then we're going to add our crushed garlic. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add 2 to 3 bay leaves. We're going to add 1 can of red pimentos. I like to just take it out and shred it with my hands. We're going to add 1 can of tomato sauce. We're going to add 1 cup of white wine. Make sure that it's not sweet wine. We're going to add the juice of 1 lime. And you're going to add hot sauce to your taste preference. We like ours hot. We're going to add parsley. You can either do fresh or dried. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And now we're going to add our crab meat. Now we're going to taste our sauce, see if it needs any adjusting. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ketchup to counteract the acidity of the lime juice. Now we add the shrimp back in. You're going to let the sauce reduce and thicken up. And then your enchilado is ready to be enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what delicious dish you would like to see next.